Okay, welcome to lesson 13, multiplying integers. Now this is a little bit different from adding and subtracting integers, so pay attention to the rules. Okay, here's the simple breakdown. And any two positives will make a positive. An even number of negatives will make a positive when multiplying and dividing. An odd number of negatives will make a negative. So let's think about what our positive and negative numbers are. So our positive numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Whenever you're multiplying integers, that's numbers with a sign in front of them, if you have any number of factors that are even, one of these 5 even numbers, you will get a positive product, or you will get a positive answer if you have an even amount of negatives. Now let's think about our odds. Are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we have 5 even numbers and then 5 odd numbers. The number 0 is a special case. 0 is neither positive nor negative. This is the halfway split between your positive integers, +1, +2, and your negative integers, -1, -2, and so on and so forth, until you get all the way to infinity. So 0 is not positive, nor is it negative. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are negative numbers, are negative. Any amount of negative factors that are multiplied will give you a negative answer. Any even amount will give you a positive answer. And this goes for multiplying and dividing integers. Okay, so I'm going to do some simple single-digit multiplication here. So, first thing I'm going to do is start by counting the negatives. I have 1, 2 negatives, so I know I'm going to get a positive product. And on the side, we know that this is going to be positive. Now that we counted the integers, let's multiply. 3 times 6 is 6, 12, 18. 18. There, that's how you get your answer. Use them, remember, go back to your multiplication chart. If you forget how to multiply, you can always have that. I did put that into regular multiplication video that was, I don't know, video 5 or 6 or something like that. Okay, first thing we're going to do here is count the number of negative factors. We have 1, 2, 3, which is an odd number. We know we're going to get a negative product. So our product is negative. So now let's multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 7 is 35. And then 35 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 30, carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. So our product is -210. And that's it for our examples. Move on to the problems, and I will catch you at the end of the video. Okay, the answer. How many negatives do you have? Let's deal with the sign first. Negative 5 times 2 is 10 times 8 gives us 80. Negative 80 is our product. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negatives. An even number of negatives will give us a positive product. And now let's multiply. 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And we have positive 48 as a product. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same amount of negatives, so we have positive. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Our answer is 24. And that is our final problem that sums up multiplying integers. Remember, with these videos, it's just a brief general overview. It takes some time and work through another book and practice. This is just an introduction. This is not going to give you the whole thing. You're going to have to take some time and practice and make some mistakes. Okay, have a good day. That's the end of this lesson. And like this video, subscribe, comment back, and good luck.